Hey, good morning. Thank you for joining. Thank you for tuning in. I want you guys to follow me as I go on this half marathon journey for a sub 2 hour half. I'm attempting to do it the second time. First time may have been a fluke, but I'll make sure that doesn't happen. Ready? Let's go. Hey, thank you for tuning in. I am Matt. I am the beer runner. Please make sure that you subscribe and share this video with your family and friends. You ready? Let's get it. So we've already finished up with our base training. I've been doing that after my Chicago marathon. And I've added or incorporated that along with my run streak. Today is day 575. So after your base training, we talked about this before. Check out my previous videos. After your base training, you're gonna run right into, or you jump right into your actual training plan. This training plan I followed it before. I enjoyed it. I loved it. It is a sub 2 hour marathon plan. It's called the Project 159. The goal is to run a marathon or a half marathon in less than 2 hours. I did it before with the help of a pacer. Try to do it again. So this week, this is the end of week 1. First day was a Monday. It started with actually 0 to 6 miles. It's interesting how the plan is laid out with a wide range of mileage, but I think that's just based off of the type of runner you are and the experience that you have. It was after the easy run. I had a threshold run, another easy run. I had a fartlek run. That was pretty tough because I did that in windy weather, and it was like 30 degrees outside, 40 degrees outside. And you know me, I am not a cold person. After that, another easy run. Actually, it was a rest day, followed by my long run. But I'm still run streaking, so I at least did a mile both those rest days. Today is 6 miles. I am currently about a quarter of the way through. I'm at about a 10:06 pace. I need to slow it down just a little bit because I want my easy runs to be just that. I want it to be nice and easy. So let's go ahead and let's talk some more about it and get this run in. All right, so that was my long run for the week, end of week 1 marathon training. It is a 10-week program, and a lot of the weeks are going to be similar to this one, where you can have your ups and your lows, right? You're going to have your 3 weeks of consistent, gradual training, and then you'll have your fallback week, and then you build on top of that. You want to make sure you have a program like that because it's very important that you have your recovery runs and your recovery week so that we don't overwork our body, overwork our muscles, and allow for a fast and speedy recovery, right? So that's all I have for you guys today. Just a quick video on the first week. Make sure that you check out some other videos. Like, subscribe, make sure you share with your family and friends. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Matt, I'm the beer runner. Until next time, let's get it.